Hello everyone, today I'll tell you a nice mocktail. Mocktail name is Red Lagoon. How to make the Red Lagoon mocktail? First of all, you have to take a tall glass, then you have to fill the glass with ice cube. Okay, then you have to pour 5 to 10 ml of lemon juice. After adding lemon juice, you have to just you can add some lime slices. Okay, after that, you have to pour 10 ml of blue cocoa syrup. Red cocoa syrup. After adding red cocoa syrup, you have to pour 10 ml of grenadine syrup. Okay. After adding the grenadine syrup, simply you have to fill the glass with soda. Okay. Then you have to stir the all the ingredients. Okay. After that, simply you have to fill the glass with Sprite. See how the fancy refreshment mocktail with this is the stirring method. You can tell. Okay. Then you have to garnish with mint leaf and you can see very fancy mocktail you can try. This is the red lagoon mocktail with a combination of red curacao syrup, grenadine syrup, sprite and soda and lemon juice with the refreshment mocktail. You can try this mocktail, very fancy mocktail. See, okay. Thank you very much for watching my video. I hope you like this mocktail. Please try this mocktail. Most of the people they like very much this mocktail. You can try this mocktail and enjoy the mocktail. Thank you very much for watching my video. Thank you.